Hey guys, it's Denis Cauvier here. A lot of you know me from the ABCs of Making Money as well as Financial Freedom book. By now, you've probably heard about my brand new book. It's called Get Wealthy, Building Your Perfect Business. It just came out a couple of months ago. If you haven't, because a ton of the senior leaders are already talking about this book. But this book, what I've done is in only 32-page format, super easy to read. People, they don't have the long attention span anymore. So very quickly to the point, what the book talks about is how you can get wealthy building your perfect business. So there's three components to the book or chapters. First one is all about the characteristics that's required to win in business. Next section, critical skills and how to develop those. The last one is different pros and cons of different business structures and types, and why Primerica is the perfect business for the 21st century. Now, Bill Whittle has gone through this book, and he called me up and he said, Denis, I have literally read this quick book. He loves it. He says, I've read it about 10 times. He finds it's got just so much great information. He feels, this is Bill Whittle speaking, he feels it's the book is the most powerful third-party recruiting tool in the history of Primerica. And based upon this and the results that his team is getting with the book for recruiting, personal production, etc., what they did is he said, okay, how can this book really help people? And this is how he's been developing his people on how to use the book. So first of all, great for new people to build their belief and confidence. Phenomenal way to get referrals, get recruits, increase your own personal production, as well as developing yourself and your teammates. Again, Coach Whittle says this, every representative, every teammate, every recruit needs to get, read, and use this book as a business development tool. Now, what we recently did is this was fantastic. What we did was out in Baton Rouge, we did a boot camp, a special coaching clinic with myself on how to use the brand new book to really explode your business. So we've got a special here. It's a 10 book pack, so 10 copies of the book, plus 3 CDs, 3 DVDs of the entire full day boot camp that they're hosted by Bill Whittle and some of his top leaders. And for Canadians, your order would actually receive the 10 books as well and a complete download set of all the audios. So what is included? We got tons of information. We've got myself speaking as well as a bunch of leaders, as you'll see. So here's just a small sample of the great content included in this boot camp on these CDs and DVDs. Bill Whittle opens it up. Call his tempo. He talks about the business models that I cover in the book and the pros and cons of them. Blake, 5 levels of leadership and how you can develop yourself. Derek Simpson covers developing lifelong win-win relationships in business. Marcia covers the strength model that I created on how to become mentally tough. Donald and Brianna, they talk about, and this is a very powerful section, how to overcome fears that are limiting your success. Jake Fouget, how to get a fast start in your business. Then I go into how to use the 21 points that I've laid out in the book to use this as a powerful recruiting tool, and also to intellectually take people very quickly through a model of how Primerica is the perfect business model and how it's the only business opportunity that scores 100%. And it's all laid out in the book, Get Wealthy, Building Your Perfect Business. Then I'll talk a little bit more about the MAP, M-A-P, to living on purpose and alignment with your business and your core values. I'm also going to talk about the conscious and unconscious mind, how to actually change any limiting beliefs that will drive the results in the direction you want to go. Also, why Primerica is not one of those MLM pyramid type things, whatever. I've created a 10-point list so you can do a side-by-side comparison of any of those direct marketing opportunities versus Primerica, and people will come to the unescapable conclusion that Primerica is the real deal. Also, then Coach Will and I get into a deeper dive of the BAFAR system. The BAFAR system, it's a way to help your mind, program your mind to create the business results that you want and how to overcome any of those limiting beliefs, doubts, self-sabotage, and all those other elements that can hold us back. So again, what do you get? You get 10 copies of the book, and we explain exactly why, if you're a real builder and you want to explode your business, you absolutely need 10 books as a minimum, plus these powerful tools that's going to teach you exactly how to use these books to develop yourself, develop your teammates, and explode your business. The retail price on this special Builders Pack, folks, is $275. We have a special, only available with digital PFS. Only $95 gets you the entire pack, and you're ready to go to get into positive action. Do yourself a huge favor, invest in yourselves, invest in your business, and order them today. Take care, and we'll see you folks at the top.